Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss the LeetCode problem from the weekly contest 202. This problem has hard difficulty level. So the problem title is minimum number of days to eat n oranges. So here we are initially given n oranges and there are three choices or options are given. So we can eat one orange, this case number 1, or if the remaining oranges are divisible by 2, then we can eat n by 2 oranges on the same day, or if the number n is divisible by 3, then we can eat the 2 into n by 3 oranges on that day. So this way we have to reduce the number of count to the 0, and we have to return the output as a minimum number of days to eat all the n oranges. So let's take an example 1. So here the n is 10, so and the output is 4. So basically what they are doing is, on day 1 they are eating just one orange, so the remaining oranges are 9. Then on the day 2 they are because 9 is divisible by 3, so they are performing that divisible by 3 operations. So 9 minus 2 into 9 by 3, because 2 into n by 3 operation we can perform if the number is divisible by 3. So this way the remaining oranges are 3, and on day 3 then again it is divisible by 3, so the similar operation we have to perform, that is a 2n by 3. So again we are left with the one orange, and finally on the last day we can eat that remaining one orange. This way we get the n becomes 0, and the number of days count is 1 2 3 4, so that is a 4. Okay, so so here basically we have to solve this problem with the help of recursion. So we can make sure like we get the minimum number of days attempt while performing any of the three choices. Okay, so during the contest I tried to solve this problem with the straightforward given choices, and I can quickly show you that what was happening. So it was not passing all the test cases, so it just passed 20 test cases out of 176. So I will just quickly show you what I was doing over here. So I was calling this DFS function over here, and these were the base cases. Like if n is less than or equal to 0, then just return that days count, else if n is 1, then I just need 1 day to finish those oranges. That is why day is plus 1. And here I was performing this operation 1, operation 2, option 1, option 2, and option 3. So those belonging to the choices, like this is a you can eat one orange per day. This is if the number is divisible by 2, then it is n minus n by 2, and if the number is divisible by 3, then it is n minus 2 into n by 3. And then again I was performing the recursive operation on the option 1 2 3, that is the choices 1 2 3, and this way I was trying to calculate the minimum value or minimum number of days. So this solution was not covering all the test cases as I was getting the TLE for this. So then I tried to solve it with the help of memoization, but again there was no luck, and I failed it to do so. So after that, what I after the contest, what I have seen is in the hint, so they have mentioned this thing. So they have given a hint, like in each step choose between two options, like minimum oranges is equal to, so they have given the formula. So at every option we have to do 1 plus, and minimum on the basically there are only two choices. One is the n by 2 and whatever is the residue, that is a modulo left with, or the number is divisible by 3, then n mod 3, and whatever is the residue, that is a n mod 3 plus in a one shot we can take n by 3 oranges. So I applied the same formula over here. So here this minimum days function is given, and it accepts the integer n, that is number of oranges, and it returns the integer itself. The output type is integer only. Then I am calling the same DFS function over here, but this time what I am doing is I have created this memoization hash map over here, And again this if the n is less than or equal to 1, so in that case I just need to attempt the those many days only. If it is 1, then it is 1. If it is 0, and then it is 0. So it is like simply, and I am returning, that is a base condition. Then what I am checking is, if I don't find the pre-calculated value for that number of oranges, then I am simply applying the formula, and I am inserting that calculation in my hash map over here. So that is a 1 plus the minimum value out of the division calculation plus whatever is the residue when the number is divisible by 3, and the modulo of that 3. And the similar operation I am performing for the n by 2 oranges, that is the left oranges, and the what is the modulo. So that way I am performing this operation, and finally I am returning this value. If the key is already present, so it will not go inside this if condition, and it will just return the memoize calculated for those many left oranges. So this way it was covering all the test cases. Let me run this program and let me show you the output. Yeah, so this solution is 100% faster, and if you see the test coverage part over here, so it is now covering all the 176 test cases. So this is the approach. So basically during the contest I was not able to perform it with the help of recursion, and then I tried to solve it using the memoization. Then I had to refer the hint, and that way I came to this solution. So that's it for now. If you like this solution, if you like this video, please do like my video and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for now, and stay tuned for the next one.